What happened inside this meeting? Why did the Congress do a rethink on projecting Rahul as the prime ministerial candidate of the party? Joining us now on center stage, we've got Javed Ansari, National Affairs Editor, and our political editor, Kartikeya Sharma. I want to go across first to Javed. Javed, the Congress has been seriously thinking about projecting Rahul Gandhi as its prime ministerial candidate. Young leaders that Rahul had been speaking to said that Rahul had told them that he wasn't unwilling to take up that challenge. Why then did Sonia Gandhi intervene and say that she doesn't want to project Rahul Gandhi as the party's prime ministerial face? Give our viewers the inside story, Javed.
Look, the inside story is that Mr. Ramesh Chennithala, B.K. Hariprasad, Gurudas Kamath, ministers like Ghulam Nabi Azad and Rajiv Shukla, all of them weighed in favor of declaring Rahul Gandhi as the prime ministerial candidate. But others like Ajit Jogi and Ambika Soni felt otherwise. Mr. Digvijay Singh has gone on record. He gave me an interview a week ago wherein he said that this is not the Congress tradition. And while it's all right for the BJP to crow about this, you will surely not grudge a political party the right to decide its tactics and formulate its strategy according to its own strengths and weaknesses. The Congress party, in its wisdom, you can argue to the contrary about it, the Congress party in its wisdom believes that there is no need to depart from established practice, that is of naming their candidate, prime ministerial candidate, before the elections. There is no doubt in anybody's mind that Rahul Gandhi is the leader of the Congress party, and therefore they've just chosen to contest the next elections under his leadership.
Kartikeya, the BJP says this is an admission of defeat. The Congress knows that defeat is inevitable in the Lok Sabha elections, and therefore they don't want Rahul to take the blame. And he's being shielded, and therefore the party has decided not to project him as its prime minister.
You know, Rahul, the biggest reason why Rahul Gandhi, there's a resolution for Rahul Gandhi to lead the campaign and not declare him as the prime ministerial candidate is very simple. Because Congress understands that the popular sentiment is against the UPA. And they do understand that there is a 99% chance that they might lose the elections. So why make Rahul suffer for something for which he is not responsible? Because the government was being run by Sonia Gandhi and Manmohan Singh. That's number one. And secondly, yes, I do agree that they want to protect the leader. But then that's the tactic and strategy, as Javed was saying, of any political party to protect the supreme leader, because they understand that if they don't do it, then he will be like L.K. Advani, a prime minister in waiting in perpetuity. So, you know, these were the nuanced arguments which took place inside the Congress Working Committee. But the most important part was that neither Shinde, neither Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, neither Chidambaram, Finance Minister, even the External Affairs Minister spoke. None of the top 10 ministers spoke in this working committee. Most of the speaking was being done by organization, and various other issues was being taken up. So I know the feeling which I got after speaking to my sources was that this was a script planned from beginning, and it was to introduce Rahul Gandhi as the face and soul of the Congress party, as the main campaigner, and then to guard him so that he does not end up like L.K. Advani as a prime minister in waiting in perpetuity.